Hey guys, Leon here from Lowyat TV. So Samsung has just announced the Galaxy S10 series. It comes in 3 models: the regular S10 model, the S10 Plus, and the S10e. There is an S10 5G version, but not much has been said about it for local releases. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. The regular S10 model packs an Exynos 9820 octa-core 8nm processor along with the Mali G76 MP12 GPU. It has 128GB of internal storage with 8GB of RAM. It is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card. It now has a triple rear camera setup, the main camera having a dual aperture much like the S9, alongside a 2x telephoto camera and an ultra-wide one. On the front, it has a 6.1-inch QHD Plus curved dynamic AMOLED display, also known as the Infinity O display. So now it has thinner bezels compared to its predecessor and a hole punch right in the top right corner, housing a single camera. It also has the world's first under-display fingerprint sensor that uses an ultrasonic sensor instead of an optical one. Lastly, the battery also got an upgrade. The S10 now has a 3400 mAh battery, as well as a rather gimmicky reverse charging capability. The S10 comes in Prism White, Prism Black, and Prism Green. The S10 Plus model has all the bells and whistles as the S10 with a few upgrades, namely a larger 6.4-inch Infinity O display, as well as 512GB of internal storage and 8GB of RAM. It also has dual front cameras, so alongside the 10MP main camera, it also has an 8MP depth sensor for better portraits. It also has a larger 4100 mAh battery. Lastly, the S10 Plus model also comes in an all-new ceramic black and ceramic white color variant. The ceramic back models have an option to upgrade to 1TB of internal storage with 12GB of RAM, which is a little bit overkill. Lastly, the new S10e, which stands for Essential, has a smaller 5.8-inch Full HD Plus flat dynamic AMOLED display. It features a dual rear camera setup instead of a triple one, so it's losing out on the telephoto front, but it does have the 0.5 optical zoom. It has 128GB of internal storage with 6GB of RAM. It is also expandable up to 512GB of storage via microSD, and it has a smaller 3100 mAh battery. So the Galaxy S10e is Samsung's way of answering Apple's iPhone XR. So the prices for the S10 models will be listed here. Pre-orders are up tomorrow, so you can go check them out. So that's pretty much it for the Samsung Galaxy S10 series. We should be getting a unit real soon, so stay tuned for that. Let us know down in the comment section below if you guys want to see a review or you want to see us check out a specific feature. And before you go, we've already done a video on the history of the Galaxy S series, so if you'd like to check that out and reminisce about the past, links in the description below. And as always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!